Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhya English School online education. I am glad to see you all in a new session of mathematics. We will start our day with a meaningful thought. Thought for the day is: don't read success stories. You will get only message. Read failure stories. You will get some ideas to get success. Said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. What does he say? That never read a success stories. Means never feel hesitate by seeing success of someone, because from that you will get only message that how to get success and all these things. But read failure stories. See the person who becomes failure anyhow, so that you will get some ideas to get success. After watching that, you will learn that if I am doing this, then I will become fail. So if I want to become success, then I have to go through these ideas. So if you are lacking anyhow, don't be afraid, don't be disappointed. That is a beautiful word to welcome your success. Best of luck, my dear students. You are heartily welcome to our new session of mathematics. Before we start the class, everybody sit straight. Make your back straight, my dear students. Take the book and pencil in your hand. Write the date and day in this corner. Write with very good handwriting. Write this heading: revision of chapter 5. Who tells me that what we have completed till now? Who remembers? Is anyone ready? Okay, leave it. Let me tell you what we have completed in our previous lecture. In previous lecture, we learned to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Look at this picture. This indicates you how to arrange in ascending. What is ascending order or increasing order? Let me tell you the answer. To arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest is called ascending order or increasing order. While we are arranging the numbers in ascending order, what we have to do? We have to arrange in the form of smallest to biggest. Means first of all we have to find out the smallest number, then bigger than that number, after that biggest number. What does it called? It is called ascending order, or we can call it increasing order. Increase means, who tells me? Increase means to get something extra, okay? We can understand with the help of this picture also. While arranging the numbers in ascending orders, we have to put the smallest number first, then bigger than that number, after that the number which is bigger than this number, and at last the biggest number. So, what do you say? In numbers, can we measure it with their size, with their weight? How can we find out the smallest or greatest? We can measure the numbers by quantity, how much they are. Okay? In the other words, we can say that ascending means to go upstairs. Okay? We have completed this exercise. Rearrange in ascending order. Look at here, we have the numbers 35, 23, 12, 27. Check in your book, either you have written this or not. If not, then write down with me so that nothing can be leaked by you. Okay? Good. Now we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending order, means smallest to biggest. Here we find out that number 12 is the smallest. Then 23 is bigger than number 12. After that there comes number 27. And at last the biggest number among all these given numbers is 35. So we have to write it at last. This arrangement is called ascending order. We have number 62, 34, 67 and 42. As we are arranging this in ascending order, means smallest to biggest. The smallest among all these numbers are 34. First of all, we have to write 34. Then 42, 62 and 67. Note down this in your notebook with a beautiful handwriting. "56, 26, 71 and 73. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order, means smallest to largest. 26 is the smallest among all the given number. First there will come 26, then 56, 71 and 73. Smallest to largest. Number 82, 23, 76 and 92. While arranging this in ascending order, first of all we have to write the smallest among all the given number. Here number 23 is smallest number. So first we have to write number 23, then 76, 82 and 92. My dear students, this was the revision of our previous lecture. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. I hope you all have completed this exercise in your book. We are going to start a new exercise. Write the heading for that. Descending order. Write this heading in your book, descending order. First, I will explain it to you, then we will make practice with the help of exercise. Okay? Our question is, what is descending order or decreasing order? How can we arrange the numbers in descending or decreasing order? What is the definition for that? So we can say that to arrange the numbers biggest to smallest is called descending order or decreasing order. What does this definition tells us? That while arranging the numbers in descending order, first of all we have to find out the biggest number among all the given numbers. Either how many numbers are there, 1, 2, 5, 7, we have to find out the biggest among all that numbers. Then smaller than that number, smaller than that number, and at last we have to find out the smallest number among all the given numbers and write down it. To arrange the numbers biggest to smallest is called descending order. Here we have arranged this number as per descending order. First there comes 4, 3, 2 and 1. Largest to smallest. I have one more example for you. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This arrangement is called a descending or decreasing order. Look at there. You might have seen this in park so many times. What is this? Slide. The children are moving down. What they are doing? Moving down. So moving down the slide is also example of descending. Now get ready to write with me. Write the heading. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Write this heading with a beautiful handwriting. Arrange the numbers in descending order. How can we do that? Let's see. You have to write with me, as well as you have to find out how can we arrange these numbers in descending order. Okay? Look at the board. We have numbers 38, 40, 35 and 41. Write down these numbers in your book with good handwriting. First, write number 38, 38, put comma, leave some space, then write 40, 40, put comma, then 35, comma, leave some space here, then 41. So you all have completed, my dear. I hope you all are writing with me, huh? Now think in your mind for a while that we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. How can we arrange this? To arrange the numbers in descending order, first we have to find out the biggest number among all these given numbers. So, which is the biggest number? Who tells me? Yes, it is 41. Write down, my dear students, in your book 41. Then put comma and leave some space. And now tell me, which number is smaller than 41? As you all are having the numbers given. So, which number is smaller than 41? It is 40. Write down it. Very good. Put comma. Now find out the smaller number than 40. Yes, it is number 38. Write down this in your book. It's turn to write the smallest number among all the given number, which is 35. Here we have arranged these numbers from biggest to smallest. Come down from a slide or stair. 41, 40, 38 and 35. Now leave one line and then write a new question. Look at the board. Here we have some numbers. Write down with me 50, 50, 45, 45, 32, 32, 23, 23. Don't forget to put some space and punctuation. Everybody has completed? Very good. Now tell me, which number is the biggest among all these numbers? Observe this carefully. Think in your mind, which is the biggest number? What should I write first? Yes, 50, 50. Write down this. Okay, after 50, which number will comes? There comes number 45. 50, 45, 32. Write down. Everybody has completed. Now tell me which is remaining. Which number is remaining? We have to write the smallest number among all the given number. And here number 23 is the smallest among all the given numbers. So here we have completed our arrangement of descending or decreasing order. 50, 45, 32 and 23. While arranging these numbers in decreasing order, first of all we have to write 50, 50, 45, 45, 32, 32 and 23, 23. I hope you all have completed this. Leave one line and then write new number. Which numbers are there? There is number 32, 46, 30 and 49. Write down these numbers with a beautiful handwriting. Number 32, 46, 30 and 49. Everybody has completed. Now tell me, which number is the biggest among all these given numbers? If I say that 46 is the biggest number, then am I right or wrong? What do you think in your mind? You all are writing with me and you all are present here, okay? So tell me, which number is the biggest among all the given number? Write down number 4949, which is the biggest among all these given numbers. 4949. After that, write down number 4646. Now look at the board and think in your mind, which number should come next? As we have written 49 and 46, according to you, which number should come now? We have remains two numbers, 32 and 30. So on this step, which number should come? Somebody tells me 32. Very good. So here I have to write number 33. And now it's turn to write the smallest among all the given numbers, which is 30. So I have to write number 30 here. We have the question number 32, 46, 30 and 49. While arranging these numbers in descending or decreasing order, first of all there will come number 49, after that there comes 46, 32 and 30. This arrangement is called descending order or decreasing order, largest to smallest. Leave some space and then write a new question. Number 9, 3, 5 and 6. I hope you all can solve this by yourself. Do you need my help? Should I make your help? Yeah, definitely. I am here for you only, my dear. But you want to try? Try it once. Completed? Now tell me, what should I write first? Which is the greatest number? 9. Okay? Write down, my dear. 9. Then there will come number 6. Okay. After that, which number will come? 5 or 3? What do you say? What should I write? Observe these numbers and tell me, as we are arranging this in descending order. So 9, then 6, then 5. After that, at last, the smallest among all the given number is 3. Yes, this arrangement is called descending or decreasing order. Write down this. We have one more example. After finishing that, leave one line and then write these numbers: 29, 29, 36, 36, 23, 23, 27, 27. Write with very good handwriting, huh? Your books looks must nice, fair and good looking. If possible, use the crayons or color pencil, huh? Have you completed this? Now look at the board and think in your mind as you are going to solve this, huh? Here we have number 29, 36, 23 and 27, and we want to arrange this in the form of descending order. How can we solve this sum? What should we do? First of all, we have to find out the biggest or largest number. Now look at the board. Which is the biggest number? It is 36. Write down. After 36, which number should come? 29. After 29, which number should come there? 27. And at last, the smallest among all the given number, which is 23. So, here we have arranged these numbers in the form of descending order. Biggest to smallest. Okay? I hope you all understand the concept, as today we have completed ascending order and descending order. If you are having any query, then you can message me. Okay, beta? Now, what time is it? Time to learn and write tables. I know you all are waiting for the table, huh? So, which table we are going to do today? Today we are going to learn table of 3. Write down the heading, table of 3. Make sure that you have to write on a new page, huh? And write the heading with a good handwriting. After writing the heading, don't forget to leave one line. You have to speak the tables loudly, and also you have to write with a good handwriting. Table of 3. Three ones are 3. Three twos are 6. Three threes are 9. Three fours are 12. Three fives are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Very good. Completed, my dear students. Now get ready to note down the homework. What is the homework for today? Today you have to write table of 3 2 times in your homework book. But writing must be good. Punctuation should be properly. Write the date and heading also. Okay? At your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. In next lecture, we will meet with some new exercise, a new concept. Till then, thank you and bye-bye everyone.